Good evening, everyone. It is the 25th of June, 2025. There's our West Kelowna sunset for the evening, the day, I should say. 9:19 on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. It is a little chilly out. It's 19 degrees. It was 28 this afternoon. So 19 feels a little breezy. Anyways, maybe have a rainstorm again. Who knows? Mother Nature will bless us with whatever she wants to do. She's large and in charge. So anyways, take care, stay safe. Happy Wednesday. We have some vole hunting to do tomorrow. I gotta set my traps. See if we can catch those little bastards. Anyways, birds are all sleeping. All snug as a bug in a rug in their nests. And the snow on Little White is pretty much vanished. But you never know. Could have snow up there anytime. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Peace out.